Hello friends, welcome back to Colors of Hope Crafts ASMR. Today I'm going to be unboxing beautiful fiber from 4 different yarn stores, and I thought today might be a good time to try out a new setup to see if you like this setup better. So let me know in the comments below if you prefer this setup for unboxing videos. The fiber today comes from a generous donation and from one of the longtime supporters of this channel. She donated money over on my Patreon page, and she said she loves the unboxing videos, so I thought I would do an unboxing video for you from 4 different fiber art stores. So I have some fiber from a couple stores that I have not gotten from in the past, and a couple of stores that I have gotten from in the past. This one is from One Thursday. I have not gotten it for them in the past, and I am excited to see the roving that is inside. And I also have more fiber from Cameleon Fiber Co for my hydrocephalus project. I'm going to make some bats similar to these. From this fiber. And this is an art bat from Colibri Studio in Worcester, Ohio. And this one is from Living Dreams Yarn in Rainier, Washington. We'll start with the one from Chameleon Fiber Co. So this is 4 ounces of Yaya roving, which is a blend of merino and sari silk and other types of fiber and silk, and that's going to be used for the last section of my hydrocephalus project. I'm going to blend this fiber with the white fiber, as well as some different colors of sari silk. So I'm really excited about this project and how it's coming along. And a lot of the fiber that I have been using in that project has come from Cameleon Fiber Co. So I highly recommend that you check them out for a future fiber project. Next up is some roving from One Thursday. Okay, and Lindenhurst, Illinois. Like I said, I have not used them before, but I fell in love with the roving, and I am a sucker for color. So, you can already tell it's colorful, even though it's still wrapped. So, let's see what's inside. Looks like she sent some tea with lemon ginger. And look at that. Look, isn't that so colorful? This is a blend of Targhee wool, Tussa silk, and bamboo. And I haven't spun with Targhee wool a whole lot, but what I have spun, I have really enjoyed. Just look at how colorful and gorgeous that is, and I can't wait to spin it. By the way, this is another example of Targhee wool that I've gotten. This one came from Julie Spins. This is also Targhee wool come top from Julie Spins. And I'm trying to be good and not break out into too much more fiber until I finish my hydrocephalus project. I've got an incentive to finish it, or multiple incentives to finish it, because I've got all this colorful fiber that I want to spin up. So this is a bat from Colibri Studio, or Calibri, I'm not sure exactly how to pronounce it. This is from Worcester, Ohio. Worcester, Ohio is of particular importance to me because I used to live there with my dad before he was killed by a drunk driver. So to be able to utilize a fiber artist from Worcester, I'm really excited about that. Oh, wow. Just look at those colors. It's got a lot of a lot of merino wool and sari silk, and I'll have to look at the description to find out what all it has in there, but yeah, just look at that. Isn't that colorful? One thing I was wondering about was whether it might be fun to blend this wool with this bat. I'll have to do some thinking on that, because it does have some of the same colors in it. In fact, it has a lot of the same colors in it. And I wonder if I could make that look cool. Stay tuned for that decision. And then finally, I have a fiber sample package from Living Dreams Yarn. I have collaborated with them before on a project. This was not a collaboration. This was just fiber I wanted to make art yarn with. Looks like it's got Firestar and Merino and different types of silk blends in there, and all sorts of fun goodies in there. So let me just pull out some of it. Ooh, this is some silk and some merino and some blend of something and some fibers, some Firestar, and some more silk. Pretty sure that is mulberry silk, but I'm not sure. And there's a whole lot more merino and merino blends in here. And I am definitely going to be having some fun with this. I'm planning on making rollags on my blending board and then spinning the fiber from those rollags. So I will make sure to film those rollags being made because it has a lovely brush sound when I do it. So there we have it, all the pretty little fiber. I can't wait to make some more yarn with all this beautiful fiber. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you again soon. If you want to see more unboxing videos, follow this link up here. Take care. Bye.